Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. We have few stocks and we have already marked all our level, guys. Hope you all are doing good. So let's get into it. So we've already discussed this. If market does not breach 22,525 and above, we are not buying it and we are sticking to the same plant again. So if you see markets on a sideways momentum now, but it's at its resistance, okay, where it's facing a lot of resistance. So there is a very high probability it can come down till 22,440 and then bounce back. So we have to wait for it. I don't see any negative scenario here until unless it crosses 22,420 and below. I'm not looking forward to sell it. Okay, so tomorrow if market breaches above 22,520 and if I get a price of 22,525 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. My stop loss will be at 50 points to 30 to 50 points. Okay, so next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you guys see, this is a trend line from above. This can be even wrong, but let's focus on the confluence. If you guys see, this is a very good confluence on 1 hour time frame, and if you guys see, this is a very good confluence. Here the market looks a bit negative, but not extremely negative. It can go extremely negative only post 47,670 and below. So now if market gaps up or gap down or gaps up somewhere around 47,866, I will wait for it to react on this trend line and only then trade. If it breaches above also, I won't be buying it. I'll be buying only post 48,880 or 48,865 and above. I'll be looking forward to buy it. Okay, but my selling position is immediate. Anything below 47,790 and below, I'll be looking forward to sell it. Okay, so next is US oil. US oil, if you guys see on a 1 hour time frame, there is a very clear trend line. Okay, very clear trend line which has been broken now. There is a very high probability it can go up for a retest and then come down. Again, we have a very good confluence here. $77.95 is acting like a support, which has been breached on the downside. So if I get a price of $77.75 to $77.90, I'll be looking forward to sell it, and my stop loss will be 50 to 60 points. Okay, and my first target is $75.85. Second will be $73.80. Okay, next is gold. Gold is amazingly giving breakouts and breakouts. If you guys see, this was profit booking was done, and then again we got an entry here exactly at this price I got it. That is 2153 and above. I got it, I entered it, and I'm holding it. This already we are at 1:3.5, which is really good. This is at all-time high, guys. We don't know how market is going to react. We have to see for the price action before selling or buying it. Okay, but this is definitely a confluence here. There's a confluence. So if it breaches below 2146, I'll be looking forward to sell it. Till then, I'm holding my position. Now my trading stop loss is exactly at this level, that is 2161. Okay, we have 5 stocks for swing trading. First is Infibeam. Let's turn on the volumes and see how it is. If you guys see, there is a raising volume in Infibeam on a daily time frame. If I get a price of 40 rupees to 41 rupees, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 36 rupees to 35 rupees. Okay, next is Tata Power. This is a very good resistance which has been broken up with a very strong candle, and a good buying has happened here. So tomorrow if I get a price of 430 to 415, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 405. Next is TCS on a weekly time frame. If you guys see, this is a resistance which has been broken, and it is surviving here, which is a very good sign, and we can definitely draw a small trend line here. Once it's broken, there is a high probability for it to break up. So if I get a price of 4,115 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 3,910. Okay, next is Chambal Fertilizers on a weekly time frame. This is its resistance, but we do have a recent resistance here at 384. But on daily time frame we can see very good buying happening here. So tomorrow if I get a price of 374 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at this swing, that is 340. Last is century tax on a weekly time frame. This no, on a daily time frame, it's a very good higher high formation. This is an M pattern which was broken. Okay, but no, this was not broken. Okay, it's not broken, which took support from here and started going up. So if I get a price of 1537, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 1377. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information in this video. This is just my plans for tomorrow's market. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.